Show corresponding icons for each monitor on taskbar. I'm working with several monitors in Windows 10. When I have one software window in particular monitor, its taskbar icon appears on all monitors. I would like to see MS Word icon only on monitor that has its window. How to solve this problem?
In the Settings app under the Taskbar options, set the option, Show Taskbar button, under Personalization and GT, Taskbar to Taskbar where window is open.
I have personally tried two options. Display Fusion. Display Fusion is a paid program with lots of features for multiple monitors on Windows. This URL. Dual Monitor Taskbar. Dual Monitor Taskbar is a freeware program that is much simpler and might do the trick. It splits the programs per monitor. This URL.
If you change the Show Taskbar buttons on drop-down to Main Taskbar and Taskbar where window is open, this will do close to what you're asking, just that your main monitor will contain all icons. This is found in multiple displays under Taskbar settings.
If you want support this channel, there's a